Hello guys. So in this video, which is the last video in this series, how to make thousands of dollars in each trade using with a small account, I told you that 9 things that we have spoken about is like target small stocks and PD stocks and use my search criteria or criteria that helps you find the trends and avoid the pump and dump schemes and never buy stocks that are going down for a long time, like 1 year or 2. Just go with good stocks that are going up. And I say also number 5, divide your account to many positions. Number 6, limit your risk with stop loss and with other means. And 7, stay long following the trend and don't exit very quick, because you will not make money that we are seeking for. And number 8, we say don't trade a lot because commissions are taking a lot of money from your account. Number 9, we say that low volume stocks are bad, because most of the time are bad because the bid and ask is so wide and the market makers will take your money right away, but you don't know, but they will take. Okay, so for me, all my training that I have done is explaining everything that you need in order to start right. Now you can go by yourself, search for information and seek all the 9 things that I have spoken about, but understand that online they don't give you direct valuable information that you can use right away in your trade. They can speak in general, but they will never give you this, because this is something specific to people who are making money in the market. Most of the people who are not making money in the market, they read books and they can write articles or they can make videos, but the problem is that they don't know how this is or will affect the trade, because in strategies they give you exactly what to do from the beginning until the end. And this is how my training levels, 19 training levels, work. But for me, I try to help as much as I can by providing the 19 training levels. You can go from training level 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, or you choose whatever you want to study first. And then I have a subscription which is called Silver subscription, which is based on search only. It means you will get 4 training levels for free, and you will get lessons, and you will get a search each week. I will show you how exactly I search for stocks and from stock screener, or how to search for stocks when you put them into a list. What are the criteria that it gives us the signal to buy them? So this is for search, for people who want just to understand how I search for stocks, because there are special criteria, and this criteria, it's not public. You don't find them just in books, and because this, for me, I don't use indicators or moving averages or other things. I have only my own criteria that I use in order to search for stocks, and you can use stock screener to find them. Now, if you want just to begin and to see how my strategies, I have the first training for free. It means you don't pay anything. You just go and check my training, the first training by videos. You just watch the 28 videos, how my strategies are different from anything else. You just watch them, and then if you are interested, you can go to my subscription to search for stocks. You will be added 3 more training levels for free. So you have 4 training videos for free if you subscribe to this subscription. Now, if you want everything, it means all my training covered, you can go to the golden subscription. I give 4 training for free, and I will upload explanation videos for all my training bit by bit. It means each month I upload 30 or 40 or 50 new videos. It means it's not from my training directly, but I will make more deeper explanation. And the most important thing in this golden subscription is that you ask any question from the 18 training levels, any question, I will make videos and I publish them, and everybody who is in the golden subscription, he will watch all the videos, all the answers to the questions. I understand that some people want to continue by themselves searching until they become profitable. But my way is the easiest way to get into the business right away. You don't wait 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. You might lose thousands of dollars like everybody else because you don't know what you are doing, you don't know how to trade. You take technique from here and technique from there. So what is you are doing? You are doing a strategy that it is called hit and miss strategy. Now what is it? It means you just apply techniques from whatever you go online. Like in YouTube, for example, you go to me, you go to another one, you go to another one, and you take techniques and you try to apply them. But at the end of the year, you will see that it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because they are different sources of strategies and there is a conflict. But for me, my strategies are step-by-step guide. It means it is not, I show you from the beginning what you should do until the end. Okay, and I have live videos. For example, my trade that I have done with Twitter, the last one, I will show you where I bought it, how I bought it, why I bought it, why I stay so long, how I made money, and how I exit. These are live videos. It means each week I do a video, and then after 1 week I will do a live video showing you what happened, and I explain what I expect in the future. It means it is some very, very important things, and it is documented. It means something documented. It means it's not I see like the other people do. They have the chart and they begin to explain. Oh man, go here and buy here, and he begin to see everything in the chart, and he is explaining something that it is easy for anyone to explain. But when you are in a trade, if you buy the stock today and you explain what will happen to you tomorrow, or how do you act tomorrow, this is what I'm doing. And I have a following each week, a live video. Like my trade, I stayed 5 months and 2 weeks. You will find them in 30 videos. Okay? And I will explain everything. Even when there is no change, I don't change my stop loss, I don't change anything, I will make a video in each week and explain why I didn't do nothing and why my trade is going good. That's it. It's a real thing. It's not so like some people online and what they are doing. They are explaining things, but they don't show in real how things work. Even maybe in their training, or they don't show, they explain things, okay, but they don't show nothing. It means you can't, there are some things that you don't understand and you will never understand because you don't have step-by-step guide. The second thing, there is no live thing that you can see how things work. Okay, so the thing here, all my 9 points on 9 lessons that I have told you, you can dig for more information from the internet, from books, from online. But if you want a right away thing, okay, you just go to my website. Either you take a subscription, if you need anything, everything, you go to golden subscription. If you want only search, okay, you will find how to search by stock screener or by stocks, any stock that you like. When you apply my criteria, it will tell you if it is a buy or no, and I will explain why. This is the most important thing. Now, when I say why, it's based on price. It's not based on the company, if the CEO is a nice woman, or it is a rich person, or the company is making money or not making money. No, we are not doing that. Here, I am not doing investing. So we don't look at the company. We look only on its price. And this is why my strategy can work in any market, in America or in Europe or in Asia or Australia or South America or in Africa. Any market it can work. Why? Because it is based on price, movement. Okay? It's not based on the company itself. So that's why you will get benefit from these strategies. Okay? So either you continue watching my videos and just getting some information each time, or you can just go, if you are serious, to begin right away, to correct all your mistakes, to have a new way of to do business, and you understand that whenever you see my first training, you will get a strong opinion that it is the way that you should do, and it is very simple, plain English, and everything is explained. Even if you don't understand anything, you send me an email, I make videos for you, and this, no one will do it online. Okay? I have begun answering questions, and each question they ask me, I go into details. For example, someone asked me about volume. How volume affects the stock price, and how we take advantage of it. I made 12 videos just speaking about volume and bid and ask, and explain everything about it. This deep information you will never find even in books. Online you will never find. Why? Because most of the people, either they don't want to give such information because it is private information, it is secret information. They don't want to give it, especially in some books. The second things about this, they don't know. They don't know that this volume affects your trade. They don't know. They have no idea because they don't trade. Don't understand that whatever you see online, those people who have channels about trading, penny stocks, or you think that they are trading. Okay, there are some that you see the video, you know that they don't trade. Even they show you their cars and they are rich, and you see this is another game. Okay, so they want to show off, and they do it always. And I see a lot of people they do. Okay, but in real, they have either their parents are rich, or they have other businesses they are rich from. It's not from trading. That's why when you watch, you find mistakes. A lot of people sometimes when they go to watch, I find mistakes. Okay, I find mistakes, and that's the problem. Now another thing that I want to tell you, some people rely on two things. I want just to make clear here what you are going to have. Now, some people rely on broker webinars. Understand that a broker goal is to let you trade more and more and more. Now, when he explains how to trade, most of the time the teachers, they don't trade. Okay? They get some notions from books, but they don't know how to trade because they don't trade. This is as very simple. Or they have traded and they lost all their money, or they lose always. Okay? So most of these teachers, they get paid like a salary. Okay? It is just a job for them, and they are paid by a broker. Now, what is the aim? Why they teach for free? You ask yourself, oh, these guys are teaching for free. I will learn from them. Yes, you can learn from them, but this is not practical because they don't have strategies. Okay? They don't have strategy. If you ask them a simple question about anything, they turn around, they don't give you the right information because they don't know. And the broker, What is the aim? Why he pays a teacher? Understand that, because most of the time you don't understand the thing. Why a broker pays a guy to teach you for free? You are there, you don't pay anything, they don't ask you anything. It's just because the broker knows that you get interested, and then when you get interested, you begin to apply these techniques that they told you, and then most of the time you lose money, because these teachers, most of the time they don't trade. Okay, even this if they are, for example, they were mutual fund managers or they were very famous, this doesn't mean that they know how to trade, because what these guys are doing, they are doing investing, and we are either day traders or swing traders. We are not investors, so all their teaching doesn't apply to us because of that. Okay, there is another thing that happens. I want to explain to you that the broker has done recently. I have seen it in some some brokers, which is called proprietary trading groups. Proprietary trading groups is the same as they join a lot of traders. You join their group and they say we share with each other. We share with each other information about trading, and the teacher teaches you here, and someone talks here, and someone talks here, and they say, oh, okay, we will help you by giving you money. This is what astonished me. If the broker knows how to trade, why he gives you money and he asks you for 2% or 5% or 6%? Why? It's just because he doesn't want to risk his money at all. He wants to give you money, and he takes interest rate. Whether you succeed or not, it's not his problem. The problem is that he is making money through giving you money into a group that it is called proprietary trading. I have seen a lot of people, and I challenge them. I say, give me one thing that they help you with. One thing. I challenge anyone, because I see some people commenting on my channel and they say, oh, we get a lot of help from the broker with the proprietary trading. I say, what is this help? Is giving money, asking you for high percentage, like 10% from your profits? But did he risk with you money? No. And this is the thing you should understand. The broker will never risk money with you. Never. If he gives you, for example, $10,000 as proprietary trading, or 100,000, 50,000, it's good. Okay. Now you ask him, how much risk you and I will do? He say, no, man, I will not do risk. It's your own risk. You trade by your own risk. And if you lose, from where does the broker take his money? Is from your account right away. Let's say you have $10,000. Okay? You have $10,000 in your account. The broker in proprietary trading, he gives you $90,000. This is called leverage. He gives you this money because you are in proprietary trading. That's okay, that's good. Now, the problem is, when he gives you that money, okay, 90,000, and you have 10,000. Let's say you go to a trade or 2 or 3 and you lose 10% of your money, which is 10,000. So, what will happen? The broker you will have a loss of this 10,000 that you have. It's your own money. And then he will ask you for interest rate. 5% or 10% or 2%, I don't know. So you will be in debt. So I will not tell you more about this. So you should go into deep think, and you ask questions. If you are not sure, ask your broker about this property trading and see the answers. I challenge you, if you give me other information that it is helpful for you. Challenge. Just give me something that he will give you. I have seen a lot of people commenting on the channel, and I will tell you, give me one thing. They will never reply. Okay, they say, oh, they help. They help because when you see trading techniques and the other, you see that this help. But this is not a strategy. It's not something that you can rely on to make money. Okay? Because the broker doesn't make money from his teachers. If the teachers are so good, he gives them 100,000, 200,000, or $1 million, and they say, okay, you are excellent, go to the market, make money, and we split, or 50-50 or something like that. But these teachers, they will never get the money, because the broker knows that these teachers are useless. Now the only thing they use these teachers is to catch you in order to trade more, to do more commissions, or the brokers will give you money, a lot of money. Why the broker gives you a lot of money in the property trading? If he gives you the margin, for example, you have $10,000. The margin is he doubles your money. 10,000, he gives you 20,000. This is a normal thing, a normal margin account. But property trading, he can give you 30,000, 40,000, 100,000. He can give you a lot of money, but understand that you don't need all this money, because if you lose, you will lose all your money. But the broker, he doesn't care that much if you lose, because you lose, there is someone else. He go to the broker and apply, and he put more money, and they will do the same, until they reap up all these losers, and they take their money with interest rate or debt. Some people, they get to a debt, which is a very, very big problem. Okay, to avoid all these problems, try just for example, my first training, which is for free. You find a link, the first link, and they write free, the first training level 1. It is for free. Just take it for free, watch it. If you like it, you can continue, or you go to subscription. If you don't like it, you just go and continue watching videos online, and good luck. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you in other videos.